Hope you guys doing well, and today I'm going to show you that how you can set up the Bootstrap using Bootstrap with the SAS files in our Grunt project. If you don't set up your Grunt in your system, so you can watch out my Grunt tutorials which can allow you to minify the images and JS concatenation and the SAS minification. So now I'm gonna get you through the Bootstrap where we can download the sources. Here we have opened the getbootstrap.com, and the version will be v4.1. If you got the latest version, you can also download this and the source files. If you don't want to use SAS in your Grunt project, you need to compile the CSS and JS version, and need this version. And if you are doing a setup with your Grunt project to code in SAS, and it will automatically minify your CSS, so you need to download this source. So once it will be downloaded, you need to open up the here we have the Bootstrap 4.1.3 downloaded, and now I'm gonna extract this folder. Once we extract this, we need to add some SAS files, copy this, and then in our sample dot project, which we have created our all files, we need to go to the src folder and then SAS, and now we need to add a folder with the name of Bootstrap, where we can um, add all those files which contain the Bootstrap data. So all the files are included in the Bootstrap grid, sorry, in the bootstrap.scss. So we need to import within our custom, where we can overwrite our Bootstrap styles, or maybe we need to use the custom styles in the custom. So why we are creating this kind of structures, like sources and then SAS and then Bootstrap, um, and then custom. So we need to import this Bootstrap file into our custom file, which contain all the Bootstrap. And for example, we have added the styles here. We need to import all the Bootstrap data, import, and then go to the Bootstrap and enter here, and then Bootstrap CSS. So if we can access this Bootstrap file using the Bootstrap folder, which contain all the functions, variables, mixins, we have imported all those Bootstrap structure, and mixins also imported all those mixins that we need to create here. If you don't want to use all those elements like variables is important actually. So if you want only the grid, you need to just paste this and then um, remove remove or delete all those imports. You will be able to fetch the particular grid into your project. So this is how the bootstrap functionality will work in the previous bootstrap 3 version. It will may allow us to create the bootstrap customization version within the using their websites, but in the SaaS bootstrap 4.1 or maybe 4.2 version, 4.1 version, which can allow us to create the SaaS files and then convert it with any particular script. Like if you need to use only forms, you don't need all of your bootstrap. You need to delete all those imports, and then we need to just only import the forms. This will automatically generate your CSS. So for example, we have imported our styles.css here, and then we need to set up the grunt source, which can be sass, and then custom styles.scss. So we need to again run our npm actually grunt. Now we have just let me show you the results that what we got in our CSS. So we need to just build the CSS, grunt CSS, maybe says. So now here we got the results. We have generated the bootstrap using the sass files. So here we have all those bootstrap here generated in our dev css folder, and we have the bootstrap structure imported in our custom styles, which will allow us to generate the css using our grunt sass. So I need to run the grunt here. I will show you how it will work. For example, I'm gonna add some comments here with the I am here, and if you save this, it will change and regenerate your CSS, bootstrap CSS. So you can also find the I am here. It will automatically get you through the ending of your style.css. So um, all those bootstrap are written before our customization. So we need to easily override all those classes which we have written in the in our document. So that is how we created this kind of structure, which can allow us to override the bootstrap, or maybe if you have the latest version of your bootstrap in upcoming series. So you need to just open up the bootstrap folder and replace all those files with the newest version, and then all those our overrides or maybe custom styles which will we have written here will not be disturbed. So our bootstrap version will be updated, and that's we are easy to go with the latest version of the bootstrap. That's why I'm using this kind of structures uh, in our project. So that is how we can set up our bootstrap using Grunt to speed up the styles. Will definitely get you through the all those elements and show you that how we can create our complete website within 2 or 4 hours. So hope you guys enjoy my tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates, and see you guys in my next video.